I've pre-soaked my peas, you know, overnight so that they cook faster. And now I'm about to cook it.
That's my coconut milk.
Okay, so there you go, my creamy coconut milk, and I'm just gonna pour some more inside there.